likes to see the sights. She's always by my side. And when we're walking, she likes to take the lead. And I just follow, 'cause that's alright with me. And when I'm laughing, I call her Otis P, the sweetest puppy. She's nearly all of 15. Otis P, I'm just trying to tell you, I'm just trying to tell you what you mean, what you mean to me, what you mean to me. Abby, she likes to smell the smells. She likes her puppy trail. She's always